How to set Hinge deal breaker step by step. To set your Hinge's deal breaker, first things first, launch the Hinge application on your device. However, it is not available in my country, but you simply have to follow these steps. Once you launch the application itself, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the navigation bar. Now select the Preferences tab and then go ahead and select a dating criteria. You have to now select or adjust the age range and maximum distance. Once you do this, select the member tier criteria as well. Then tap in your chosen category and set your exact parameters. Look for the toggle switched labeled "Is this a deal breaker?" directly below the parameter selection. Tap the toggle so it turns blue or active. Once you do this, tap the back arrow in the top left corner to save your changes. And this is how you can set Hinge's deal breaker.